So the year 2018 is quite hard for Samsung as the company experienced a lot of ups and downs when it comes to smartphone sales. I'm not talking about any ordinary Galaxy phone. Instead, there's a lack of strategy that decreased sales even for high-end devices. The Galaxy S9 series and Note 9 are some of the most popular phones of this year, and we have to admit, Samsung introduced some of the very cool features on these devices that nobody else could even dream of. But a group of people don't admire Samsung's approach as they were expecting a major design change from the company in year 2018. I'm actually done with all those people as they may be using a Note series right now and they have complaints regarding this design. If you ask me, I'm quite okay with this as we are getting a usable screen area. Also, I'm not against the top-notch smartphones as we have some of the devices with high capacity and a beautiful view. Moving to the main highlight of the video, Samsung is now dependent on the Galaxy S10 and the foldable phone to end its struggling status. The report comes out of Korea, which clearly mentions that the company's CEO DJ Ko is now hoping the upcoming S10 and the foldable phone will expand Samsung's market. The situation is too bad that the company's vice chairman Lee Jae-yong criticized Ko over the competitiveness of their smartphones after a trip to shop in Europe. There's also a threat to Ko's position, and it's obvious as the poor sales of 2018 caused losses equal to Note 7's losses. So after all that happened with Ko, his main focus moves towards the S10 and Galaxy F. These devices represent the year 2019 for Samsung, and you should also hope for the best smartphone range by Samsung next year. This means we'll be getting good camera and excellent performance. The only aspect Samsung should focus on is pricing, as there are phones from Chinese manufacturers that actually surpass Apple and Samsung in terms of sales, only because of a better price to performance ratio. So yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.